6:41 in the morning. Roxy just got taken out, so we're gonna go check on the birds. She got really wild and got away. It's 9:42. And so we're gonna see it because yesterday we checked on it. There was one baby bird. Let's see if she had more eggs, maybe. Maybe she had more eggs.
I doubt it.
Yeah, but or maybe the bird got bigger unless it's in the same position. Remember, we gotta take this door because all the other ones are locked.
Yeah. Oh, that. Why do you not lock those doors?
Oh God, that's disgusting. There's dog poop and flies around it. Disgusting. Almost jumped over it and the flies were like, bzz. I'm just like, oh my God. Yeah, shh. Gotta be quiet. Can't wake it up. Shh, we don't want him to get mad. It's really tiny. Oh, it doesn't look like there's... Oh my God, is that another egg? There's another egg. Dude, there's another egg. You see it? Okay, hurry, get away. There's another egg right next to the baby chick. I'll knock that's one of the broken parts. No, there were two more eggs. You guys see that?
Oh yeah, those two.
It's yawning. It was yawned. Oh, it's so cute. We better get away before we get killed by the bird. Run. I'm out. Oh, look out for the poop. That's what I said. We're working on the train tracks. We're hard worker people. Hopefully they didn't see me. But those baby birds are really cute. We might record tomorrow. So look, I can hear their mama bird freaking out. Listen. Here, all the birds are freaking out about the babies because of us. Sorry, we're not monsters. Toy Freddy?
What's ready?
No, Toy Freddy.
Oh.
We need to get...
Oh yeah, Roxy.
Oh, yeah. Hey, you want to explain this? I hope this should be the thumbnail of the video. If I can even make it the thumbnail. I don't even know how to make a thumbnail. Oh God, it scared me. So mean. Get in my bedroom with pool potion floaty. What'd you buy there? Super speed beast. I'm gonna end the video here. Peace.